Hey guys, welcome to another showcase today, and this is going to be a showcase of the ArchVizPro Interior Volume 6. Now, and I've done a series of assets from this developer who creates absolutely fantastic Unity assets which reach realism more than you've probably ever seen before. The pack does come with a fully explorable interior, which I will show. It comes with over 200 prefabs. It's ready for VR desktop with Oculus or the Vive. There will be a mobile version for iOS and Android in an upcoming update. It's ready for real-time and baked GI. It has all the baked features with all the reflection probes and the baked lighting in the scene, which I will show. It comes with all the 4K textures, post-processing setups and custom shaders for the use with this project. And when you import the package into your scene, you will get it here, which will be the ArchViz 6, and it will come with the HDRIs, the materials, models, post-processing, prefabs, the scene information, and any description shaders that are there. It does have a PDF with information. You will have to bring in the standard assets for characters, so you'll be able to move around. It is inclusive and nicely arranged with all the lights and everything within folders inside all the elements of the scene, and see how it's set up with the settings and the lighting. Is that you get to look around such an awesome scene, and it's something where you can see how it's specifically set up, how the lighting, how everything's been placed, what lights have been used, how the developer of these assets makes something look, like you wouldn't expect in Unity. So it's a sort of overcast day with a rain effect on the floor, and it's got growing ivy across the sides here. You'll first see a living room with all the assets and prefabs that will be included in this scene with their nice baking, and you'll move into a kitchen area with a lounge arrangement with a kitchen with all the things, whether it be a fridge, cooker, and all the things neatly arranged as if you would see a sort of model visualization kind of house with a lot of just a whole host of different assets. And you can walk up the stairs to a studio area with lots of different furnishings and boxes and whatnot, and you can see that the actual asset features a lot of areas with skylights, and it looks really beautiful, really. And there's the office area and a really nice bedroom along with a bathroom setup, and really it goes along the way to being one of the only developers, if not probably two, that I've seen that make absolutely outstanding visualization pieces. And just as you've seen where I've just been able to run around with a character controller, that doesn't mean to say that it wouldn't run in a game engine. It will run in a game engine because it runs at runs very well, because a game engine these days can handle thousands and millions of polygons. And especially if you bake the lighting and the reflection probes, you don't have a giant overhead in terms of real-time lighting. And you can see just how epic it does look. It's something, if you're looking to create something of this style, whether it be for a game, whether it be to learn the features that have been used in here, it's something that you can look at. And you can check out all the lighting settings and all the things that have been used to create this scene. So be sure to check out, even if you're looking for models for your game, an arrangement of a scene to help you get started, this might be for you. So be sure to check out all the assets from this developer, ArchVizPro, and you will not be disappointed with anything that you do end up purchasing. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.